felt as cold as death. Leaves were shaking though the wind stood still. A chill ran deep, I couldn't kill. Echoes rolling through the trees, carried on a ghostly breeze. Every step I took was slow into places I shouldn't go. Noise in the night calling me near, feeding every ounce of fear. Shadows moving just beyond the light, disappearing from my sight. My heart kept pounding like a warning drum, telling me that something had come. A voice inside screamed, turn around and run, but my frozen feet wouldn't let me move. Walking deeper through the pines, lost somewhere between the lines. Branches reaching like ghostly hands, pulling me toward forgotten lands. Then I stumbled, fell to my knees, surrounded by the whispering trees. Something lurking just out of sight, hidden safely inside the night. I couldn't see what haunted me, but I knew it was watching patiently. Every breath grew hard to take, every nerve began to shake. The echo circled all around, every whisper, every sound. Darkness wrapped me like a chain, calling out my name again. Noise in the night calling me near, feeding every ounce of fear. Shadows moving just beyond the light, disappearing from my side. My heart kept pounding like a warning drum, telling me that something had come. A voice inside screamed, leave this place, but terror held me in embrace. Then the forest fell completely still, not a bird, not a whippoorwill. The silence screamed louder than cries, something staring through unseen eyes. The beating of my heart grew wild, like a frightened, helpless child. I tried to run, I tried to pray, but fear had stolen my strength away. The voice inside kept saying, leave before it's too late. But the darkness answered back, now you've sealed your fate. Noise in the night still haunts my dreams. Nothing's ever what it seems. Echoes drifting through the pines, crossing all the warning signs. My heart was racing, I knew I'd lose, frozen there with nothing to choose. The darkness swallowed every ray of light, leaving only the noise in the night. If you hear that whisper carried on the breeze,